Hello and welcome to Cypherdog. Today I'll be showing you how to install the Outlook plugin for Windows so you can use our encryption app. So first of all you need to head to our website, which is www.cypher.dog. Once you're on that page, click on Downloads and then scroll to the bottom of the page. You'll see Cypherdog encryption plugins. Once you're on here, you'll see the list of tabs. You want to click on the Outlook one, that's the one that we're doing today. A little pop-up will come up and you need to copy this address here. So let's highlight that and copy it and then close. Now head back to our email, and then we need to come to our email here and click on the three dots here where it says more actions and click on get add-ins. So click on that, head to my add-ins, there we go, and then scroll down to where it says custom add-ins and click on the tab that says add a custom add-in here. So let's click on that and add from URL. Now we need to paste the URL that we just copied. So let's go ahead and do that and click OK. It just takes a second to install, so click on the install tab here and it will take less than a second. There we go, that's installed. So now we need to authorize that. So let's close this. If we head to what you see is a little paw print, so that's how you know it's successfully done. Click on authorize. It takes a second, it just says Cypherdog email encryption is working on your authorized request, and then it will bring up a tab. We need to click yes on that. There we go. Now that's been successfully installed. You see successfully authorized. You see the note above it. So let's go ahead and send an email now. So let's just refresh our page. Let's create a new mail. Click on new mail and click mail here. So let's send a test email to ourselves to show you how this works. So let's enter the email address here. Also, you will know that it's been successfully installed. If you look just above where it says the send button, you see add-ins Cypherdog email encryption. So that will show if it's successfully installed. So let's go ahead and send our test email here. There we go. Now we need to encrypt it. So let's highlight the message. Once we highlighted it, let's click on the Cypherdog email encryption tab and click encrypt message. It takes a second to encrypt it, and there we go. The message has been encrypted. We can now click send and just wait for that email to come through. There we go. And now let's click on the email and you'll see here it says show encrypted message. So if we click on that, it will decrypt the message for us and now we can read the encrypted message. So that's what the receiver will see. It's very simple, very easy to use. So thank you for watching this video, and that's how you install the Outlook plugin for Windows.